Hey, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'd like to show you this time how to cook two fried eggs on the stove, okay? I did show you in a previous menu how to cook it in the air fryer oven, but today we're going to cook it on the stove because that seems to be a big problem of people, how to cook a fried egg. And yes, sometimes the yolk may break on you and you'll have to start over if you desire the yolk to be whole. So let's stay tuned and let's see what I do, okay? Alright, we're going to be cooking it in the frying pan. I have 2 tablespoons of margarine in there already, and we're going to get started. That's smart margarine I'm using, alright? Alright, let's do it. Okay, so we have our frying pan here. Let's turn the fire on. Let it heat up. And we're going to be using black pepper and kosher salt, okay? Let that get hot a little. So I'm cooking this for my breakfast. In a previous setting, I cooked some hash browns. You can go check that out. And another time I cooked a ribeye steak. You can check that out, okay? So once I cook the eggs, I'm going to put them all together on a plate. And that is going to be for me. Yes, guys, for me. Okay, so I think we're hot enough. I see little bubbles coming up in the margarine. So we're going to break the egg. Break it until you see you got an opening. Put 2 hands here like this. And don't do it from way up here. You'll break the yolk. You got to do it down low, close to the frying pan. Alright, that's one. Let's try that again. You're going to hit the egg on the side until you see a break. Here's the break. See right there? Okay. Then you're going to open it up, pushing it left to right or right to left, and let it fall in the frying pan at a low point. Don't do it up here because your yolk will break. Okay, so our eggs are in. Let's put our pepper on. And our kosher salt. Okay, now I want you to get a close-up of this. Let me see if I can get you there. Let's see. No, that won't work. So maybe I have to tilt it. Can you see? I hope you can see it. There we go. Okay. I wanted you to just really get a good look at that. Okay, so what you'll have here is the outer side will start cooking first on its own because it's the thinnest. And in the middle, you're going to have the yolk that looks pretty thick. So what I do is I take the spatula and I poke a little hole here and there so that yolk that's on the top surface can drop down and begin to cook. That's my little cheating thing I do. Okay, now you want to, after you poke your holes in, that means that heat is going to now be able to come through those holes and start cooking the yolk and the white. And when I said I broke a hole through the yolk, I meant the whites. I broke a hole through the whites. Because if you break the yolk, you're all done, right? So that would be a mistake. So I broke it through the whites, just so that you'll know. Alright. So you want to go under all the way around to loosen it up so that when you get ready to flip this, nothing is sticking to prevent you from flipping it. Okay, so now here's my spatula. Let me see if I can get this a better look for you. Here's my spatula. I'm going to go under and now flip. See? Okay, I'm going to do the same thing here. We're going to go under, make sure nothing's sticking first, and flip. There we go. See? How about that? Okay, it's done now. You don't want to cook it too long because that yolk will start cooking and you don't want that. You want the yolk runny. Okay, so I cut the fire off and now I'm going to take that out and put it on my plate. Okay, here's a steak and hash browns that I cooked in a previous setting. You can go check that out, okay? I'm going to put those eggs right on top of my hash browns. And this is what we're looking like. How about that, huh? Okay, and let me get in the picture. Why not? Hash browns, steak, ribeye steak, and eggs, fried eggs. Very good, right? Okay, so let me take a taste of that. So I'm gonna come right in on those eggs. See that? So I want you to see the yolk. Okay, watch me break this yolk. See that's running like that? You see that? It's called sunny side up eggs. Okay? Oh, it's delicious. It's nothing like those yolks running down on the potatoes, and it all kind of goes mix in together to one flavor. Awesome, awesome. Okay, so the word of the day. The word of the day is try to make a variety of meals in your house. Because if you cook the same thing all the time, then they get used to it and then they don't really like it that much. But if you keep introducing new ideas and new menus to them on a regular basis, then they're going to be excited about your food all the time. Now if you need some ideas, I have them right here on my channel, so just go look at them and figure out which ones you want to cook and go for it, okay? Alright, that's the word of the day. If this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe. I'm trying to reach a mark now. We are 3,000 subscribers plus right now, and I'm trying to get to 4,000 and then 5,000. Why not, right? Okay, thank you for all your help. Hit the like button if you like it, and now you know how to cook a fried egg. Let somebody else know how to cook a fried egg, okay? Share the video. I'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye-bye.